I told you. You only buy one juice, but I have one here. It's apple juice. I don't know if you like.
Sure. Okay. Get it? Where are you going? Yeah. Come here. Yeah. Go. Oh. Oh.
He loves that.
Hand it over. Hand it over. Oh, where's he going? Rocky, come here. Oh, he threw it at me. Yeah, I can't reach. Oh no. Ready?
But it tastes good. Tastes
Peruvian
really
shrimp
good.
dish, cilantro, and
Which coffee is mine?
tomato, onion, and some kind of alcohol need to go in there, but we didn't have the correct kind, but we used, I think it was white wine or something. Okay, we're on our way to Walmart and to charge some more. We have 42%, so we don't need to charge much, but let's go. Look at all the corn growing there. There's some plants here. I don't know what that is. Wheat? Okay, over here you can see the Woodstock water tower. There's Toyota right here. Okay, here's the Walmart Super Center. We're gonna go to the charger. It's less than half a mile away. 3 minutes drive. Let's go. Alright, here are the chargers in the middle of nowhere.
Destination is on the right.
Alright, let's go charge up. We're at 37%. It's a 150 kilowatt supercharger. Oh, there's some water back there. Get me. And we'll plug in and let it charge. Right, so it says 35 minutes remaining to get to the charge limit of 80%. Oh, looks like they're finished with the Walmart checkout, so I'm gonna unplug and pick them up. I'll see you guys later. There's a deer far away. Oh no, I can't see, it's running away.